All right, everybody. I'm pretty much done, except this piece was kind of tripping me up here. This funky piece, I had it too much done. I flattened it out, and I just gotta put some sticky pieces on there, and then we're gonna put some stickies on the last trim ring, and then we pop it in there, and then we zip tie on this piece, and it's done. So let's get to the. Where's my circular? Where did that go? We gotta. There. Oh, okay. It jumped. All right. Oh, all right. So, I guess it's these pieces. I mean, this seems ridiculous. It shows. Taking these pieces out and setting them down on there. I guess there's, three on top and three on the bottom. So, let's just go ahead and we'll stick these right on here. Okay. Peel off the paper. Oh, we'll wait to peel off the paper. Okay, so we're gonna put one there. We're gonna put one here. Yikes. Okay. Alright. And then we're gonna put one more in down here. Okay, so it's like this and like this. We're trying to center this. Okay, so we're over here. Okay. All right. Let's get the paper off of this. Now they actually this I feel like this really is 3M adhesive here. This is pretty sticky. Okay. So I'm pretty sure, just kind of just goes like this. Sticks down. That's kind of what we were looking for. Now don't forget we got this ring here. Set that on there. Okay. And now the grand finale. The grand finale. We got these last couple of pieces here. We're just gonna throw on here. Okay. It's kind of what it looks like it wants me to do is stick this over the ones that are already kind of there. Okay. Two. We're so close, everybody. This is gonna be. This is it. Two. And then three. Over here. Push it down. Okay. Take this guy and we're gonna just squidge it down on there. Hey, It looks like a Hollywood prop at this point. They definitely gave us extra pieces. They gave us, you know, extra one of these. They gave us an extra one. They gave us two of these, the short one and a long one. And yeah, see, last step, everybody. Step O. Zip tie the connector onto the end to make it look real, which is this. We got our zip tie. Where'd that go? Where the heck did that go? Here we go. Here's our zip tie. Okay. And they said, you know, make it look real. Alright, cool. We're gonna spin here. We're gonna push the wires kind of down in there a little bit. And then we're gonna zip tie the two together. Okay. So see, you're supposed to, you know, see the end here. And plug her in. Push on the button. Oh yeah, everybody. Let's turn this off. This is pretty cool. It shines all the way through, like from the back. You know, you can see you got your connector here. Alright, so that's it. This is the Tony Stark Iron Man reactor kit. I think I got this off of Banggood or AliExpress, one of the two, but looks pretty cool. It's going to be a cool addition to my bench here, and you know, just kind of, I'll set it up. It's just gonna, you know, it's gonna be a funny angle. Let's see if we can get you. Yeah, see, that's it, everybody. Looks pretty realistic to me. So, all right. Hope you guys enjoyed this series, and I'll see you on the other side. Have a good one. All right, everybody. Here is the arc reactor on my my bench. You can see, hey, there's Fermilab. This really cool poster. Anyway, so it looks pretty awesome from all around. Got the plug here. I'm just gonna leave it up on the top of my workbench. Oh, there's my wife. So I'll just leave it up on top of my workbench, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for my next project, which is gonna be a fake Nixie tube clock, but I ordered 2 of them, and just so happens that I have Nixie tubes and drivers and a high voltage power supply that I designed. So we're gonna, I think we're gonna build one for you guys, and you know, just the LEDs, and then we're gonna adapt it with the Nixie tubes. So that'll be pretty cool. All right, well, thanks guys, and Merry Christmas, and have a Happy New Year. All right, thanks. We'll see you on the next one. All right, everybody. So, yeah, this is it. This is the end. We're done. I'm gonna throw a couple of you know, pictures up at the end here. A few things that I got for Christmas, and you know, we have an elf on the shelf. So I'm gonna throw some pics up. His adventures. He's on his way back. Well, he's already been on his way back to the North Pole. So, yeah. All right. Thanks, everybody, for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, everybody.